Hi guys, today I'm trying to review this waterproof diving case. I think the brand is Shellbox over here. I've done an unboxing video, so this is how it looks like. There's a rubber seal around, as you can see here. Let me remove this. This is made of metal. There's this shutter button over here. When you press this shutter button over here, this lever will move. So you have to align this blue button to the shutter button over here, so that when you press, it will trigger the shutter. So over here we have a Samsung S22 Ultra, and for this, because the button is on the right side, so we'll use this one over here. We'll keep the top one locked. We'll unlock this later, because we need to keep this phone as close to the top as much as possible, so that when you press the shutter, you see, you can hear that, the clicking sound. Press the volume button over here. And to move this one, this slider over here, to hold this phone in place. It comes with this padding over here, so I think I will stick it at the bottom here to give it extra grip. Let's remove this. Right, I'll stick it down here. Oops. Just a bit. Okay, so later you can just slide this to hold the phone, and I will just unlock this first, and this thing will come down. Insert my phone in. Forgot to adjust a bit here. Right. Put my phone in. Right. And push this down a bit to give it extra firmness. Okay. So now you can see over here. Let's try to see how it works. Put the cap back on. Does it work? Doesn't seem to be very sensitive to fingerprint sensor. Right, now let's try. Camera. Nope. Shutter here. It works. Video. And now it's shooting. Good. Seems good. You have a tripod stand over here, and they give you this strap, which is able to go through here, so that you can put around your wrist. Let's try. Okay. So how do I do it? Just slot this in through here. think you have to take some thing to pull it out. Never mind, forget that. Let's close this, and maybe we'll try to dip it in the water and see how it goes. So it has a very nice grip over here because of this hand grip here. Right, let's go and get a tub of water and try. Alright, we have a pail of water over here. That's our waterproof case. Let's dip it inside and see if there's any bubbles that comes out. Look, there's a bit of bubbles here. Doesn't seem to be working very well. We'll see if there's water that goes in. It should be airtight, watertight, but it doesn't seem to be airtight at all. Let's dip it inside here for a while and see how it goes. See, bubbling here. See, there's bubble here. There's bubble there. I wonder what happened. Not sure if I close it up properly. Maybe I'll just remove it and try. See if there's any water got inside. Okay, let's wipe it out first. Okay, let's see if there's any water that gets in. Feels airtight. Looks dry. On the plastic here, there's no water. What about inside here? Looks dry to me. Let's take out the phone first. The phone is definitely not sure whether this is. Maybe it's my wet hand. I don't see any water inside here. Seems to be dry. No water. I wonder where the bubble comes from. Let me know if you know why there's bubbles. The seal is still here. Let's try again. Well, anyway, I have a all-round protective film. It's very difficult to install actually. I'm not a very fond of this film because when I'm using the case over here, the edge will be lifted off by the case. Still can't find a very good decent protective film for my phone yet. Right, let's put it back and try to dip it into the water again. Push this down, let's wipe the edge. Oh, I think I may have known what happened. You see all this here? The holes here? The bubble might have came from here. Not sure. Well, let's try again. Push it down. Push it down. Push it down. Right. Let's try again. Just put it in. Yep, there's still bubbles. But no water get in. Right. Let's try to use this underwater. I can't move the screen. Oops. Yep. I can't swipe the screen underwater. Not very good. I think you have to lift up from the water and use it with your dry hand to click. Yeah. Let's try again. Alright. I don't think you can operate the phone underwater. Nope. It's not working. It's not moving. Nothing. Yep. So you have to lift up the case above water and then you can operate. Otherwise, underwater you can't even operate. Oops. Sorry. Yeah. So moving to the photo is also a problem. Oops. So in conclusion, you probably have to leave it out from the water, toggle to whatever you want, photo, video, then you go underwater and you can start to use. Okay. Let's remove it and check again whether there's any water that goes in. Seems good. No water. Yep. Probably this one is just one droplet that come from my finger. No visible leak inside. Seems good. Alright, that's all for the review of this waterproof case. Hope it helps. Thanks.